Welcome to the TED Online Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to search for notices using the expert search. Select the expert search option below the quick search box. By default, the search scope is the active notices, but you can select a different one. As a signed-in user, you can define your preferred search scope in your site preferences. You can start typing your search query within the Expert Query section input box. Boolean operators can be typed directly into the input box, or you can use the operator buttons on the right side to easily add them to your query. While you type your search field into the input box, the autocomplete functionality suggests the available fields. Additionally, you can search for a search field from the Search Field section below. Once you select a search field, you can choose among the corresponding values on the right side. Select a value and add it to the query. You can view your query as a code or text by selecting the specific radio button. Finally, at any time you can check the syntax of your query. For instance, if you wish to search for notices in a specific place of performance, like Greece or Belgium, you have to enter the following query. In another example, you might wish to search for notices, seeking for a specific phrase in a specific publication number. As a signed-in user, you can save your search and manage it later in the My Dashboard section. Finally, you can load a saved search to modify it in the Expert Search query box. Or print the page with your query. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our help page and check our other video tutorials.